that's the thing we'll teach in later classes, because that's a big area. And how you interact with the world. If you're scared every day, oh my God, what do they want now? I'm already overwhelmed and scared. Or if you go out with the attitude, I can do that. And if I feel overwhelmed, I say, no, that's fine. If people don't like it, too bad. And that's what we can achieve.
Yep, true.
And how bad self-criticism and self-abuse, we do it every day. You know, I see even people that are very deep rooted in Christianity, which I respect. My brother is a very devout Christian, and they read the Bible and they say, but doesn't it in the Bible that you should love your neighbor? And it's true, but the whole sentence read, love your neighbor as yourself.
Right.
So when you consider the whole sentence, what the Bible really says is, love yourself as your neighbor. It's the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
So both are equal.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not let your neighbor do to you whatever he wants or she wants.
Exactly.
No, love your neighbor as yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And that implies you love yourself too.
Yeah.
So if you need that permission from the universe, God, or whatever you believe in, here it is.